Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm down here again at the lake, and we're gonna give it a shot. See, it's a beautiful day. My goodness gracious, beautiful day out here. Pretty blue skies. Yeah. But I also got my chest mount in the mail. Yes, sir. So hopefully we'll get some much better footage this time. And it's not raining, so there won't be water spots all over the place. So here we go. Let's do it. All right, well, we got a small spot here because my spot down there has been taken. Dadgummit. So we're just gonna give this little small area here a shot. It's gonna be a two pole spot because it's just not big enough to put any more than that. So let's see what we got. Okay, so I was able to cast it out there and not get hung up on anything, but what I've got, I'm using a Vebco authentic rod and a Vebco 33 reel, and I got 6-pound test line out there. I don't think I'm gonna need much more than that. Now we'll see what happens. Alright, well, I got one out there sitting. Now let's get the other one baited up and put out there. Well, first catch of the day, folks. Right here. A big mouth bark. How about that? Let's let him go. Man. Alright, something just hit this one right here. Let's see what's going on. He knocked the fire out of it, so if he leaves it, nope, there it goes again. What you gonna do there, fella? You gonna leave it alone now? If he does, that means he's probably got the bait. I'm using little red wigglers on there. And I had it loaded up pretty good, so if he got it off, then he hit it pretty hard. Uh-oh. What we got here? What's going on? I got these crossed up. I'm gonna have to move that one over here. Man, both of those right there are gonna have to be rebaited here in a minute. I'll bet you. Dadgum. They hit them pretty hard. Yep, there he goes on this one. Yep. Alright, what you gonna do with it? pull this in, and I'm pretty sure there ain't no bait on it. So yep, cleaned her off. Oh crap. Man. What is going on here? I got him, I think. Yep, he's on there. Oh man. It's a good one. Come here, you. Where are you going? Oh, you just a little bitty old sunfish. Man, what are you doing on there? What in the world are you doing on there, fella? Man, I tell you what, I think I hooked you right through the eyeball. I sure enough did. Look at there. Oh, Lord, have mercy. All right, well, there we go, folks. I knew something was down there messing with these things. Wasn't you there, little fella? Boy, he sure is a pretty fish, though. Sure is a pretty fish. Okay, guys. My spot over there, right there, that's where I usually fish down here. There were some people there when I got here this morning, but I see they're gone. So guess what? We're gonna pack up and we're gonna move down there. That's my spot. That's where I catch the catfish. Folks, I just want to say something right here. This was a spot that I just caught that fish at, and I'm moving spots. Okay. Something very important to me that I want to share with y'all. Leave it like you found it. You pack it in, you pack it out. Don't leave your garbage on the side of the lake, and don't leave your trash sitting on the side. Just leave it the way you found it. Even make it a little better and pick up something that somebody else left. All right. Man, something to knock the crap out of this thing. See on there? Nope. Man, he hit it hard too. I bet you he got every worm on that hook. Let's see what happens. I won't let it sit for just a minute. All right, now I got three poles out. And guys, I just want to tell you why I like this spot so much. Because I got an open shoreline right here, and if they're not biting real good right here, I can move down just a little bit and get a whole different section of the lake out there down deep, because I'm fishing on the bottom right now. And right here, shade tree. See, I ain't sitting out in the sun, and that's a key thing for me. I need to be in some shade. That sun tears me up. But I got my 3 poles out right there. I can sit back here and watch them. And wait for that fish to take them. Move on that line. That ain't the way it works now. We all got to work together here. You do your part, the fishing line will do its part, and the hook will do its part. The rod, it's got to do its job, and this reel, it's got to do its job. So help me out, alright? Let's work together here. We're going to work together, we're going to have some fun. But you can't be sliding up and down that line like that all the time, okay? You got it? Alright, I don't want to have this talk with you no more. Because I'm gonna do my part, and I'm gonna clamp you down real good, okay? All right, here we go. There you go. Okay, I got you a good clamp on there. You ain't sliding no more. Okay, all right. Now you same thing. Okay, I don't want you sliding up and down the line now. There we go. All right. Okay, we good? Let's just all work together. Let's have us a good time catching fish. All right, there we go. All right, folks. Sorry about that. I have to have a little talk with my team. See, it's teamwork makes it happen out here. We all got to be a team, and if one of the team members is slacking off, then we gotta have a little chat and fix it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got some boats going by out there. The boat traffic today is really not as bad as what it is a lot of times. It's just well, hope it don't get no worse. But I'm gonna load this hook up and throw it out there, and we'll see what happens. All right, there he is. All right, let me get him up here. All right, I got him up here. Man, what a catfish. Hey, big old boy. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that joker. All right, let me get this hook out of him. And let me get this hook out of him here. Okay, there he is, folks. Nice big catfish there. Let's let him go. He's getting ornery here. Let's see. All right, fella. You go on. That was fun. Let's do it again.